What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Shorty from Killer Klowns from Outer Space. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page and draw a large circle for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's step over towards the left, bend the brow coming in and then up, go to the right and do the same thing. From that same spot, we're going to curve the brow. We're going to go up and then out towards the side. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left, we'll step in, draw a circle, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull that up towards the side of the nose. From the inside of the brow, let's add the eyelid. We're going to go up and then down. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Now on the right side, we're going to lift the lower eyelid. We're going to come down and then up. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, come down and then bend that in. Let's go to the right, just tuck this in behind. Now in the center, draw a small circle and fill that in black for the pupil. Now let's draw on the eyebrows. From the outside of the eyelid, we're going to go up, round this out, and then come down on the inside. I'm going to go back to the left side. We're going to draw that same curve, but we're going to go a little bit higher in the middle, come around, and then bring that down. Now on the side of the eyes, we're going to draw two ovals for the cheeks. Let's start on the left. We go up, come down, and then back up. From the inside of the ovals, curve the mouth, coming down underneath the nose, and then bend that back up. Now just underneath the nose in the center, draw a V, coming down and up, and then from the top, bend the lip, going out and then up towards the side. Now from the same point, we're going to draw the bottom lip. We're going to come all the way down towards the bottom, and bend that back up. Let's step in and trace that same curve. Coming down a little bit higher in the middle, and then up. Let's add two lines on either side to separate the teeth, and I'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Now let's go back underneath the cheeks, curve the chin, coming down and then in underneath the lip. Let's add another fold underneath the eyes. We come down and then up towards the side of the nose. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the cheeks and curve the side of the head. Let's start on the left. Bend this up and then out. Let's round up the side of the head. Go up and in towards the middle. Go all the way across towards the right. Come down and just bend that back in. Now I'm going to add some wrinkles across the forehead. Starting on the left, bend this up in the middle, and then down. Draw another curve, but shorter along the top. Now you want to give our character some large ears. So let's start on top of the cheek. We're going to bend this up, round up the ear, and just bend that in, leaving a gap along the side of the head. Let's tuck the earlobes underneath. We're going to step out, come around, just pull that up towards the side of the head. Let's add a thick fold along the top of the ear, going up and then out. Let's add some hair on the side of the head. We're starting on the left, then it's up and then out. Taper that back in towards the side. Let's add a longer point. We go up and then down. Bend this in and then down on top of the ears. Let's add that point of hair along the top of the head. Starting on the left, bend this in and back out. Come across and then down on top of the head. Okay, so now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw in that large collar. On the side of the cheeks, bend this down and then out on either side. Now I want to connect these 2 points with a series of little curves. Just working our way across, in the middle, Now along the bottom of each curve, we're going to add a small circle. Let's draw a large star in the center of the body. We start right in the middle with a point, come down and out towards the side, straight out. It's going to work our way across towards the bottom of our star. Coming in, coming down, and I'll just pull that up in the middle. Now from the bottom of the star, let's move all the way down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, start on the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up towards the outside. Let's go to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We go up with a half circle and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Then we're going to step up and add a curve, coming down and up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go all the way back up just underneath the collar and curve the body, coming down towards the legs and on top of the feet. We start on the left. We're going to bend this out, come down and just bend that in. Let's line that up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to draw the arm stretched out towards the side with two large boxing gloves. Let's start underneath the collar, bend this down and then out towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. We go up, bend this down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's wrap the hand around the thumb. We'll start from the top, go around, come down towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath the thumb. Let's go back to the wrist, curve the palm, coming down and then out in behind the hand. Now let's close off the bottom of the arm with a curve coming in and up towards the side of the body. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Shorty from Killer Klowns from Outer Space. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Join our exclusive Masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.